Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Akshay and this is gonna be an informative video today for you guys to explain you how you can apply for a replacement of documents such as study permit or work permit in case if you have lost it or someone stolen it. So why I am applying today, it's because I had applied for a study permit extension last year, but haven't received my documents in my mailing address. It's because I moved to a different address and they sent the documents to my previous address. It was my mistake. So I wanted to make you guys aware that whenever you move to a different address, always let IRCC know that you have moved to a different address, and also let them know that this is your current and updated address so that they can make changes to your profile or your application so that you will receive your documents on time on your current address. So, after contacting IRCC, they shared a link with me through which I can download a form which is required to apply for a replacement, and you will need to send it to IRCC. There is no online procedure for this. Maybe you will need to wait for 3 to 4 months because I had an experience with them. I I applied for some changes on my study permit, so I applied through an offline method, and it took me around 2 to 3 months almost. So yes, offline method takes a lot of time. So always try to apply for such documents in case if you need it on urgent basis as soon as possible. So here is a link. I will also share this link in the description. There you will see a link which says verification of status or replacement of an immigration document. The form number is IMM5009. You can directly download this form by searching on Google. Just type on the Google that IMM5009 form, and it will give you the link, the same link where I am right now on. So when you click on the link, it will not open up any form. It's because this is a PDF file and you may need Acrobat Reader in order to open this file and in order to fill up this form. So in order to replace your documents, in order to get your documents back again from IRCC, you will need to fill up this form. So one should have Acrobat Reader installed in their computer. I have one in my computer, so I have already opened up this form to show you guys how does it look like. There are two parts in this form. Part A, which contains personal information. You will need to provide them your personal information like your name, date of birth, place of birth, your passport number, your marital status, etc., and your current address where you want your documents to be sent. And part B include document requested for. For example, I am applying for a replacement of documents, so I'm gonna click on the replacement of valid temporary resident documents instead of verification of status. It will ask further details like immigration document, date of issue, or Canada port of entry, place of issues. So all this information you will be able to find it out on your study permit, your previous study permit, I mean to say. In case if you have not got that information, you will be able to access this information through your electronic approval which you received in your GCK account. Let me show you which electronic approval I'm talking about. So I have applied for my study permit here. This is, you can see, document number. You see this? So you'll need to provide your document number which you have missed or lost or haven't received it from IRCC. So this is the information you need to punch in here in this form and save all the information in this box. Here you see where it is asking for the detail, whether it's lost, stolen or destroyed. So you can hit on other and provide your explanation that what actually happened with you in case someone stolen it. You must have contacted the police and report this incident. The police gonna provide you a police report number. You will need to mention that police report number here in this box, and your date of applied, when did you applied it, and all such general information that you need to provide them here on this form. Remember, along with this form, you will need to provide your personal verification. I mean, government issued identification, such as your passport or your driver license, and of course, a fee receipt, a proof of fee receipt, because to apply for a replacement of your document, there's gonna be a $30 fee for a single document. Let's suppose if you're applying for two documents, because I had applied for my study permit, so I had a co-op program. So along with my study permit, they were supposed to send my co-op work permit too. But I received my co-op work permit, however, not received my study permit. So I'm only applying for a study permit replacement document. So single document gonna cost you $30, or if you have more than that, so each document costs $30. So you will need to provide your government issued ID, such as your passport, your driver license here, and a copy of your receipt. So whatever you attach with this form, you need to check accordingly these boxes. So how you gonna make the payment, because the method is offline, they are not accepting this to be online, because you will be mailing this form in a sealed envelope to IRCC, and their office is in Ottawa. So you will need to mail them through Canada Post. Let me also show you how you can make the payment. So here is a link they provided me to make the payment. If you go back on the same link, you see here, you see that pay the fees. So you will need to click on pay the fees. Let me open up in the new tab. When you click on the pay fees, you will need to select the country you are applying for. I mean, from which country you are applying for a replacement, whether you are in India or in Canada. So I'm in Canada, so I'm gonna select Canada. What type of application you are submitting: temporary resident, permanent resident, family sponsorship, citizenship, access to the information requested, or any other application and services. So you can click on other applications and services. It will give you the option of verification of status or replacement of an immigration document which we are applying for. So once you click on it, get payment instructions, you see $30 here, and click on pay my fees online. It will redirect you to a different page where you will get the information how can you make the payment. So option first is that you can choose the method, like which method you wanna make the payment through. And always remember, this is gonna be a non-refundable fee. Here it is. Other services, continue. So you see that verification or status of replacement of document, quantity 1, and there is gonna be a $7 charges for electronic travel authorization, ETA. Submit it. You see, click on this, tractors, verify, log in and pay. So what you need to do, you need to sign in here with your GCK account. Okay, everyone, they do have GCK account, so you guys need to use here your GCK information to make the payment. Once you make the payment, it will give you receipt. Download the receipt and attach the receipt along with this form in the seal envelope and mail them to their mailing address. So here you see their mailing address. Let me just show you right here. So verification of status of replacement of document. This is the address where you need to send them your documents. So this is, let's suppose this is your envelope. Okay, here you need to mention your name on the outer side of envelope, your current address, your current postal code. On the very top left side upper corner, in the center, you're gonna punch in their address where you want your document to be sent. Okay, so Canada Post, you're gonna use um, the courier service like I used last time Canada Post, so I'm gonna use the same to send my document again. And once you send them your documents along with this fill up form, they will receive it in a week or two, maybe three, and you will get the update in your email regarding same. And after a couple of months or maybe more than that, you will receive your updated study permit, your replacement of document in your mailing box, in your current mailing address. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and like this video.